Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
मेघालय के और बड़ी हादसे कैसे है हमारे ड्राइवर ने लगाया है सेफ्टी बस स्टूडेंट यूनियन ने कुछ कहा है क्या वहाँ पर मेरा इंटरेक्शन कुछ भी नहीं कहा हमारा इंटरेक्शन है आप कितने दिनों से आप मेघालय में
Kublai pi baru kini kilong ki khubor bam takasni. Kashilong Khasi Jantia Church Leaders Forum haksin sajan kelapelong ya Nongïalam kerki ringkat baga jingrai kerpang hasilong ban kerpat ya jingsuk bat jingsuk songsngan hadin ka jing yakan at bat jing penjulor kabami hakaradi thuk balapelong da Khasi Students Union KSU. Habakran syakilat pathai khubor President ka Forum Bishop Pilingdo bat Nongïalam Balang naba Chatterjee kila penpau ya jing sngokya ka bajur halor ka jinglong jingman ka baminta khamtam halor ka jingta jongka ya ka jingya dei hapring ki patba kami khalaya bat Assam ki Nongïalam Balang kila Kyntu ki patba na baro ki balang ki niam bat ki jat benriu bakin jai bakin kiar na ki kam jingya ken an bana ki jingkran ki bala banang pynneh ya ka jing kila ong ba ya ka nu ka jingdawane jing dei ban penbet ling ba ki linti ki bala bu dakaan ka jingya kran bat ki rukam patba ki bajai kila kerpat kerpang ya ki samla bakim dei ban sha penyat ha ka jing shit minsim namar ki kam thombor ba ka jing penthut ya kalet kawan ki kta ki pat ba lui ki nong nya kali ki nong trei ba ki long yeng ki ba imjak po na ka jing ya ben kalet kawan ha padeng ki arjila ka forum kala pentip ba ki nong mi khmat jong ki balang ba pher kendang beteng ya ka jing ya selong bar ken pelong biang ya ka jing ya lang shaban penmi ya ka kerwo pat ba ka bayatli Nada don kam ka forum kan sawat ru ikilat ban pli ka jing ekran ban wan ra biang ya ka jing suk ba ka jing long jingman ka jai da ka ba ong ba ki pat ba ki dei ka wei ka jat ban riwat ka wei ka long yeng ki Nongïalam Balang kila kermen ba ka jing start ba ka jing sngaw thu kan sin shar bat kila Kyntu ya baro ban ya trailang ban pen bahai ya ka jing long jingman
Okay, we'll call this. Let everyone come. Na patang jingsuk. Hoi ki imlang salang jing kran sibun ma ki jing kendu ba ki jing le ki bobon. Sibun ma ki jing nyom mong ban dan jing ki lang ki bobon. Ndeng sibun abat kum ki Nongïalam Balang ni kwa banang kum ki Nongïalam jong ki jing ni kwa banang ba ka de bandang da kamin sim jong ki kran. Kamin sim jong ka jing treshtam bat kamin sim jong ki je lang khatang ba ki jing ba ka la banwan ha ki imlang salang juni. Hoi tenteng lesi nakadaw jong ki jing angur ki bobon lesi ki alam sa kaliti ko bakalo hindi so unang bangi kerpat ya ka imlang salang ni kerpat ya baro hi bangi dei ba ni yen tli nta ban mara ki jiba mura ya ki jik suka poke imlang salang kata ka di kerpat ni tli juni kata si sa
Core committee of the Shah Shillong All Faith Forum. So we urgently met today because of the situation in Shillong, and we all feel very bad about this. Feel bad, and at the same time we also feel shy. Now the whole world has come to know what is happening, and especially not only within Meghalaya but involves Assam. So with this great concern among all of us as a forum, we have discuss about it, and we have decided that at this point, at this juncture, all we can do is issue a press release which Mr. Lava will take care of that, appealing for peace, for harmony, for calmness, and avoid all kinds of violence. Whatever issues are there, whatever problems are there, there are procedures, there is a course of law, and these are common things which people need to do. Because we understand, especially now, especially today, the young people are in the forefront everywhere. So when issues involve young people, excitements are there. We will appeal for them to remain calm and be considerate And also keep in mind, not just for the issues which they have, which are also our issues, but also keep in mind the inconveniences of the common people. See, there are so many people who depend, who rely on their daily bread on a day-to-day basis. So when problems arise like this, it puts them in great difficulties. So mainly this is what we discussed. Father Mujah would like to add. Others would like to add.
Anyone?
I think Bishop has already articulated, and we had a discussion. Tomorrow maybe again we may not meet because being a Sunday. We will interact with each other, and by tomorrow evening we'll come up with a release, as Bishop has said, that we need to, as soon as possible, retrieve the original situation, and also we appeal that good sense will prevail with our neighboring state, and we are very hopeful that good sense will prevail among Meghalaya community. We are as a community, we are as a family, and we need to stand tall and retrieve from this the situation. So this much only, and by tomorrow evening, if we find that it is necessary, we will definitely issue a press release.
What about the government should open a channel of dialogue?
I think we will not comment on that. Tomorrow we will cover, because we are talking of SAFs.
I think I will speak in Kasi.
Yeah.
Ni sudah